K&N has been the industry leader in washable automotive filtration for over 5 decades. Now, K&N offers lifetime washable home air filters. Here's how you can quickly and easily clean your K&N HVAC filter to help ensure years of use. Remove your filter from its housing, wet both sides of the filter, and heavily spray K&N HVAC cleaner onto the dirty side of the filter. Allow the cleaner to sit for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing with cool, low-pressure water from the clean side of the filter out. Make sure to use only K&N HVAC filter cleaner, as other cleaners can void your warranty and potentially damage the filter media. Do not use high-pressure nozzles or pressure washers to rinse, as these may also damage the filter. Continue to rinse your filter from the wire screen side out until the water runs clear and free from debris. Gently tap and shake the filter to remove any excess water. Stand the filter on end and allow it to air dry naturally. Once the filter is dry, lightly spray cleaner onto the side without the wire screen. Leave the cleaner on the filter and reinstall your filter into its housing, taking note of the directional arrows on the filter frame. Proper maintenance of your K&N Lifetime Home Air Filter will help give you many years of clean, healthy air in your home, office, or business.